We've got the face mask challenge here, and we wanted to really see if it would actually cut a zip tie. So we've got some zip ties on these boots right now, and we're gonna actually use the strings off of a face mask and see if they would actually cut one of these ties off. So here we go. Simple. Look how fast that was. If you're ever in an emergency and you need something to cut and you've got to get a zip tie or something off without a knife or pliers, that's a survival tip that you'll be able to do. So you just take a face mask, and that's a full-size zip tie right there, you can see. Cut right through there. And those are the ear loops off of one of your regular little coronavirus face masks. And that will cut right through that several times. So that's your tip for the day on survival with using face masks to cut zip ties off.